Types of phrasal verbs. First is special phrasal verbs. Move up, move down, get in, get out, put up, put down. Second is aspectual phrasal verbs. Carry on, continue, put off, delay. Third is stative phrasal verbs. Be in, be included, be up, be happy. 4 is action phrasal verbs. Make up, create, switch on, activate. 5th is directional phrasal verbs. Take off, land, go ahead, back up. The 6th is modal phrasal verbs. May, get by, manage, will come through, succeed. The 7th is idiomatic phrasal verbs. Call off, cancel, give in, surrender. 8 is prepositional phrasal verbs. Think of, about, talk about, with.